Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to talk about on how to use the Paychex effectively. So since we cannot really access the dashboard, since we have to contact them first for us to sign up for an account, and we should have a real business in order for us to access the dashboard. So, what I am going to do here, I'm going to discuss some of the HR and payroll section, employee benefits, insurance finance, and then their solutions. So, let's start with the HR and payroll. So, we have here payroll services, human resources, talent management, and workforce planning. So, let's go ahead and proceed to the payroll services. Okay, so here on the payroll services, as you can see, you can compare payroll plans, small business payroll, mid-sized enterprise payroll, and then the payroll overview. So let's just go to the payroll overview. As you can see, it has a scalable payroll solutions to grow with you. Online chat support is available 24/7. Compliance information to help you stay ahead of changes, and automatic payroll tax calculations and payment. Okay, so helping businesses of all sizes. So we have small business payroll, the mid-size enterprise payroll, the 1099 payments for contractors, payroll plans, and switching providers is easy. Okay, so right here, the Paychex Flex, the payroll processing software. It managed with ease, can view your current and future pay periods to complete on the next payday, and all within the payroll center. Okay, so here you can access the critical reports. So depending on your package, you can customize reports to help you make better business decisions and create your payroll journal, cash requirements, and more. Here to receive in-platform support, so can use the help center to access current information, chat features, articles, and how-to guides for activities and tasks, and then easily add new employees. So adding new employees and contractors is just a few clicks away within the people section of the Paychex Flex. Right. Now let's proceed to the employee benefits. Okay, so we have retirement, health insurance, voluntary benefits, benefits administrations, workers' compensation, and then employee benefits overview. So let's just go to the employee benefits overview. So the benefits don't have to be complicated or costly. So integrate with payroll, automate deductions to eliminate the manual entry, use your current broker, less complexity at no extra cost, flexible plans, and pick only what fits your size and your budget. So the result, simplified open enrollment and happy employees. So you can invest in your team with the flexible benefit packages. So we have group health insurance, retirement services, FSA, HSA, and more, dental and vision insurance, lifestyle benefits, voluntary benefits or disability life insurance, and then individual health insurance. So here, why businesses trust the Paychecks for benefits. So streamline admin, so secure benefits platform, licensed agents. So here, licensed agents take the load off by helping enroll your employees, coordinating with insurance carriers, and streamlining the payroll deductions. You can save time and reduce stress and focus on growing your business. For the flexible plans, national insurance carrier relationships, we partner with hundreds of highly rated national insurance carriers. For the compliance and guidance, so expert compliance supports, you have that as well. Now let's proceed to the insurance and finance. So we have business insurance and then the financial services. So let's just go to the business insurance. Okay, so for the business insurance, we have commercial auto, general liability coverage, extended umbrella protection, workers' compensation, cyber liability, business owner policy, the state of unemployment insurances, and then employment practices liability insurance. So let's just go to the insurance overview. All right. So here you can get complete business coverage for your organization. So From a business owner's policy of workers' compensation, whether you're a small business, LLC, or have hundreds of employees, so vital property and casualty coverage, automatic payroll integration, and top 100 insurance agency. For the comprehensive coverage for your business, property, and employee, here we have business owners policy again, commercial auto insurance, cyber liability insurance, employment practices liability insurance, errors and omissions, general liability insurance, commercial property insurance, commercial umbrella insurance, and workers' compensation insurance. So, one step for business insurance service and support. Select, you can get help choosing a top tier insurance carrier for your needs, and then manage. Their technology and expertise help you handle deductions, billing, and compliance. Simplify, integrate your insurance with payroll to simplify the administration. So why choose a Paychex for business insurance? It has top 100 insurance agency 5 years in a row and then 20 plus years of experience, 150,000 plus customers throughout the US, and then partnering with the nation's top rated carriers and wide range of options from cyber liability of workers' compensation and property insurance. Next, let's proceed to the solutions. So we have for business sizes, industries, integrations, full service HR and benefits, and global hiring, HR and payroll. So let's just go to the global hiring and HR and payroll. Okay, so here for the global hiring, HR and payroll solution, Paychex can support you with your global hiring, HR, and payroll needs. So we have relationships with the global providers representing multiple countries to help you. And then let us know what you're looking for. So here you just have to fill out the form below. So your company name, the number of employees, your full name, the email, then your phone. And then just have to click on the get started after that one. Okay. So what's in it for you? The speed, you can access new markets and global talent fast, world-class support. So instead of navigating unfamiliar legal and culture environments, consider us an extension of your HR team. And scale, whether hiring a single employee in a new country or managing a larger workforce globally, we can help you scale easily. And for the flexibility, whether testing a new markets or hiring strategies, this tool can help you adapt your changing needs with minimal risk and cost. All right. So if you are, looking to hire international contractors, so you can create a new contract in a minute and support a global team on one platform with one logged in. So you just have to simply click on this sign up option right here. So if you want more information about this tool for your business, you just have to visit their website. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.